In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Google Chrome sync paused error. This issue can crop up unexpectedly, causing inconvenience when your synced data like bookmarks, passwords, and history aren't updating across your devices. But don't worry, we're going to walk through the simple steps needed to get your Chrome sync back on track. First, start by opening your Chrome browser. Look towards the top right corner of the window, and you should see your profile icon. This icon is usually your picture if you've set one, or your initials. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a drop-down menu with more options related to your profile and settings. Now you need to check if there's a message that says sync is paused. If you see this message, it means that Chrome has temporarily stopped syncing your data. This can happen for a variety of reasons, such as logging out, updates, or changes in your account settings. When you see this message, your next move is to click on the message where it says Turn on Sync. This option is key to starting the syncing process again. After clicking, you will be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Use your existing login credentials. Make sure you have access to your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, be ready to verify your identity through a text, email, or app, depending on your setup. Signing in is crucial as it connects your Chrome browser with your Google account, allowing all your personalized data to sync across your devices. Once you have successfully signed in, you'll be met with a confirmation request. This is the part where Chrome asks for your permission to resume syncing your data. You'll see an option that says, Yes, I'm in. Clicking this confirms that you consent to Google's terms of service for syncing your data. It's important to note that agreeing to this will allow data like your bookmarks, browsing history, passwords, and other settings to be shared across any device where you've signed into Chrome with the same account. And there you have it. Your Google Chrome sync should now be functioning correctly. If for some reason it doesn't, try restarting Chrome or your device to ensure that everything integrates smoothly. By following these steps, you ensure that your browsing experience remains seamless and that your important data is kept up to date wherever you go. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you keep Chrome running smoothly. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting advice. Until next time, happy browsing.